Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make curry taste better. To begin, always prioritize fresh, high-quality ingredients for the best flavor foundation. Next, consider toasting your whole spices before grinding them. This simple step unlocks incredible depth. Remember to layer your aromatics, like ginger and garlic, at the right time. Finally, achieving a perfect balance of sweet, sour, salty, and spicy notes is key to a truly delicious curry. Building a strong aromatic foundation is crucial for a flavorful curry. Start by sautéing your onions until they are deeply caramelized. This brings out a wonderful natural sweetness. Then, bloom your ground spices in a little oil to release their full, vibrant aroma. Add fresh ginger and garlic, ensuring they cook just until fragrant, not burnt. Using a good quality curry powder or paste also makes a significant difference. To achieve true depth and balance in your curry, incorporate a rich liquid such as creamy coconut milk or a flavorful broth. A touch of acidity, perhaps from fresh lime juice or diced tomatoes, brightens the entire dish. You might also want to sweeten it slightly with a pinch of sugar or a spoonful of date paste. Finally, allow your curry to simmer gently for at least 20 minutes. This melds all the flavors beautifully. The finishing touches can elevate your curry from good to outstanding. Just before serving, stir in a generous amount of fresh herbs, like cilantro, for a burst of freshness. Always taste and adjust the seasoning with salt and a little pepper as needed. Letting the curry rest for a few minutes off the heat allows the flavors to settle. A final squeeze of fresh lime juice right before serving adds a bright, zesty finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.